For the most part, my smart home does all the heavy lifting when a holiday rolls around, by automatically setting the appropriate lighting for the occasion. But this year I decided to put a little bit more effort in for Halloween, after I came across this great pumpkin design from Adrian S on MakerWorld. The really clever part about it is that it's a normal, unassuming pumpkin by day, but by night it turns into this spooky lantern thanks to the thinned out walls here at the front. So naturally I had to take this clever design and make it fully smart by wiring up one of our WLED controllers to an offcut of addressable LEDs and a power bank, so that as the trick-or-treaters approach, it lights up automatically using the motion sensor I've already got above my front door. I also added to these lights that I have in my front window with a couple of 3D printed puddles which I printed in red to look like pools of blood at the bottom of this lighting effect that I added last year. And as always, my doorbell automatically plays an appropriate greeting when pressed. And here is how it all comes together. So if you guys have any cool holiday smart home or 3D printed details that you think I should add into this mix, please share them down in the comments. And as always, remember, home is where the smart is.